points, and that's the minimum threshold for a max buy trade or sell trade, 13 points, the minimum threshold. Obviously, on the basis that that was a buy trade, I decided to go ahead and show you that these trades can easily be taken. So as soon as we got the 13, we saw the book transitioning buy side. We got the buy trade on, and a very, very nice profit. So the worst profit we've had all day off a max. This was the worst trade we've had all day off a max. We've reduced the number of trades, so it's a very manageable number. The threshold seems to be just about right. I'll show you some other trades that have taken place. In fact, I'll show you the most recent trade, which was a buy trade with a bottom tick price. Here's the next two trades we had here on max. There was the last trade we actually had. That's the last trade that's triggered. Look at that. Look at that price, guys. 39.57s. 39.57s currently trading 39.91s. It's a pretty good trade, isn't it? That's a pretty good max trade. Anyway, so we had a buy trade down here. So there's three trades on these two charts. Three trades on these two charts. We had a buy trade in here for 13 points. So again, the minimum threshold. The minimum threshold for a buy trade is 13 points. And that gave us a buy trade in here. Now you see it never went anywhere for quite some time. Stuck around doing nothing for a while and then exploded for an enormous profit. As we moved up into the top edge, of course, the numbers are starting to count. And then on this candle, we managed to get 14 points. 14 points. So that was now a sell trade that came in just up there. You can see 4,003 down to 3,997. And then the next trade that came in was right here. You can see on this candle here, that achieved a score of, hold on a second, I've not written down what the score was. 15 points. It's the biggest number we've had today, 15 points, guys. So that's a 15-point winner. So that was a 15-point trade. And yeah, pretty good outcome. So obviously it's went from 39.57s up 58s up to a high price there eventually of 39.92s. We haven't had any max trades since then. So you can see we've managed to basically top tick, and we bottom tick the market here, we top tick the market here, we bottom tick the market here. I think we're as accurate as we're ever going to be on these. So I'm very, very happy. But as I said, we had to strip out loads of code. We thought we would have a drop off in the performance of it because we're having to strip out code so that it doesn't time out. And you know, it's still looking pretty solid so far. So yeah, let's see how it eventually evolves. Um, 21, Simon. 21 is a maximum score. 21. We've never had a 21 ever. For the entire last few days, the biggest score we've had is a 15. So 21 is the maximum score, and this was a 15, which is the highest we've had today, is a 15. But it's out of 21 in total at the moment. It's out of 21 at the moment.